What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Redline's the Limit here, and today is finally the day we are doing the long tube headers. We have the long tube headers, the off-road header connection pipes, and the that's all we're doing today is the headers and header connection pipes. Hopefully these fit and I don't have any trouble, because I have been told that some of Pypes products can be a little bit of a pain in the ass, but I think we can do this no problemo. And we do have the Ford OEM header gaskets. These are the ones that came with Pypes, but we're most likely going to use the Ford OEM header gaskets. Today's a big day for the 3-valve. She's finally gonna scream. Hopefully we can get this done today, but if not, we'll just finish it on Tuesday, and then we will install the rest of the full Pypes exhaust. Let's get to it, man. This is the last time you will ever hear my exhaust. I'm gonna miss it.
Okay, so throttle bodies down.
Throttle bodies out.
Oxygen sensor is the next thing.
Oxygen sensor.
That's on the bottom.
Yep.
So we gotta lift it.
Yep. Now it's. Oh shit. We gotta take this fucker out too.
Oh, that's easy. That's just that.
Yeah. Well, this and then there's one right.
There's two underneath.
There's one right here too. There's just 2 bolts though. That's the thing.
10 millimeter.
Yeah, 10 mil. Going back up it goes. We'll see if we can finally get to work on these damn headers. Either way, this thing's gonna be really loud. Good? Let's do it.
I've got your motor mounts bolts off. I got the nuts. I got that one.
That one nut. Let's see that. Let's see that. This is the one.
This fucking.
Well, we got the motor mounts bolts off.
Trying to now get a support around the crankshaft so I can have the engine supported. Next thing's going to be to put a jack underneath it, lift the actual engine a couple of inches, an inch and a half.
So driver side header is officially in with the. We're gonna put that metal shield back on. We just needed to take it off to get to this, but the O2 sensor is fully injected to the header, and it is in and fully secured. Now I just gotta do that side later.
Yes. Cat's on.
Cat's on, but that's gonna take like 2 seconds.
Cat's on, then the intake, then the battery on, then done.
Yo, two.
Dude, he's becoming a celebrity. Oh yes, the celebrity red lights in the net.
You're a piece of shit.
Hey, you know what? At least when he gets popular, I'm gonna make a little bit
True.
True. See, I'll be homeless. so better than nothing. You'll feel bad. You'll take me. Isaiah, you know.
Homeless, but I hope to do the headers.
Helped? You did the headers. I did the headers for you.
Woo! New X-Pipe is on with the high flow cats that are gonna be leaving. They will be leaving, I promise. They will be leaving, I promise. These will be gone.
Which one? Why are your brake boosters so small?
The first startup that I'm about to show you, there was an exhaust leak, and that's where that small ticking comes from. But I will show you a second startup after the first one, okay? But yeah, it was a nice startup and it sounded amazing though. So let's go show those flybys, but make sure you subscribe and also use my Roxham code. My code for Roxham discounted taillights. The link is in the description down below.
Huh? The steering wheel's not on.
Just start it up. Just start it up.
Steering wheel's on.
Rev it.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you, I got big plans for the Stang. The Stang sounds amazing. I'm telling you guys, go with Pypes long tube headers, man. It'll change your exhaust noise so much. It sounds like I have an H pipe on this thing, but I don't. It's just an X pipe. And the sound is gonna change when, the sound will change when I get the when I take the cats off, because I will take the cats off and do open long tube headers. It's gonna be insane, and that is really gonna sound really classic. But we also have some AMR wheels here, and these are I have two 20 by 10 and two 20 by 8.5. The 8.5 is going in the front, and the 10 and 20 by 10 is going in the back. I also have my stock headers, stock manifolds, stock H pipe, and my old X pipe. If any of you guys want those, hit me up on my Instagram. Redline's the limit. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Like, share, subscribe. Peace out.